because we purchased 2 lots, so we want to consolidate it into one, so that in the deed of sale is only one we need. So we are gonna wait for them. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are waiting for the surveyor to come. It's only 1 something. We're gonna meet them at 2. Try and get the keys because I forgot to get the keys. It is raining here. I don't know. Where we are, it's not raining. A lot of grasses. It is raining here all the time. I miss working here. But what can we do? We will just have to wait. Look at our grasses. They're very healthy. Look at that. We just did cut it 2 weeks ago. And it's super tall. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, the grass very tall now. That's crazy. Yeah. You see the greens? Everywhere is green. I hope it's not going to rain today. Super itchy. If you guys want to see the work that we did before, just in my previous vlogs. Mosquito really eating me. But for the newcomers, the 35 plus people, this is what we did before. Like last 2 months ago, we were working until up there. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring you in. This is the main door, supposed to be. I'm just gonna tour you guys because I got nothing to upload. So that's my boss.
Yeah. More like your ATM.
That's my ATM. Yeah. Put fish in there. So you already met my bank. So this was the main entrance. This is our plan. And then this is the big window so they can have airflow. That's the view. Yeah. And then they have window over here also, so they can actually sit over here and see the ocean over there. Big window. And then their TV is gonna be here, I think. That was no, actually over there. See, I already forgot. Anyway, window, and then there's another door over here going to the garage over here. And then this is the garage area. And Brian already put the hose, for hose there, so when they wash the chariot or their motorcycle, that's ready. And this is the another door for the garage. And then that's another window, so they can see the Mount Talinis over there. It's like famous hiking spot. So there was a door before, window over here before, but we cover it up because there's no use of that. And this is my parents' bedroom. And then there's really big window over here so they can see the view also. And if they will have a lot of pigs, they can just see what's going on. And then this is their CR. So that's the bedroom. This is the CR. This is where we got a lot of bashing because why didn't we just put the CR in the bedroom? So Brian already talked about it, and you guys can watch the previous vlogs. So this is gonna be their CR. Yeah, big enough, big enough. Hammer. Yeah, this is their sala over here, and then kitchen over there. I'm gonna show you guys the window bedroom. Window from their bedroom. Supposed to be they can see more of the mountain, but because it's so misty, and I think it's been raining there, so you can't really see. So yeah, they have a really huge window over here. We will have to order it. Well, how do you say it, babe? Like when you order, like pre-made, made to order, made to order, because we can't find this size at the hardware store.
They're just custom sizes.
Oh yeah, custom sizes. Yeah. But my brother-in-law does all this glass work, so I already talked to him. So yeah, they were about to take that down, but then we had
No, they haven't poured it yet.
oh, they haven't?
No.
Over here only?
They haven't poured any of it.
Oh wow. Okay. Well, there's explanation to that. When they were working over here, I wasn't here because I was helping with my sister. We got called, and my sister said they're at the hospital, something like that, choo. And then I actually have to travel and go to the hospital. So I wasn't here for like a week, I think, or 3 days. Brian and the guys were working here. I wasn't here, so I don't know really what's going on. But yeah, that's what I can tell you guys. Yeah, so hopefully next month we can start working. It's a manifesting that we can continue working, so all of this will be gone. All of this will be done. Gone. So yeah, right now we're waiting for the surveyor because they're not here yet. So for the newcomers, this was an old, how do you say it? It's like a small house. It's like a stock room that the previous owner had. Like they put their tools over here, stuff like that. So basically this was like a whole building, and they already put roof before. So I'm just gonna put a link over here if I can edit it, so you guys can watch what it looks like before. But so the wall was just up here where the paint was, and so we added one more so it can go up a little more like that. So if you can see over here, this was their main door before, and then this was the windows, and over here it was like covered, like that wasn't there before. And then there was like a separation over this side, I think. Yeah, there was a separation here, and then we took it down, and then yeah. So it's so hard to explain. I'm not good at English, so I'm just gonna put the link over here. You guys can watch it. Anyway, so over here we're gonna add 2 more blocks up there because the house will look like that, right? I mean the roof is gonna look like that. Here's gonna be a little taller. So our original plan was my parents are just gonna use the old structure. So we actually built a CR because there was no CR before. So we built the CR over here. This was a cow pen before. So we built septic tank and then the CR. It's just mama and papa anyway. They don't need like huge house. Oh no, I'm sorry guys. It's locked. I need to get the key. Anyway, we built the CR for them, but then plan changed. So we made it a stock room now. So before, that was it looked like. That's what it looks like. It's just that. The structure where you can see the purple, that was a little house. Darling, you have the key? I need to use the CR, I told you. I was already there. Oh, okay. Okay. This is our CR. So anyway, this is what it looks like right now. We put the toilet. It's just very cheap toilet because we don't need fancy toilet. And then before, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, there's a lot of spider. Before, this was nothing obviously because this was a cow pen, so we cover it up so that we can use the CR. Well, they are working over there, they can actually use the CR. So we also have a water tank over here, but before it was really tiny, but then the water gets in, so we took it down, all of the concrete, and then we make it bigger. But now we still have the same problem. There's water over here. Well, let me see if I can show you guys. See, there's water, right? See? It doesn't seem like we can actually get rid of this water. And then it's weird because when we are digging it, there's no water coming in. Like, where the water come from? We cover it, no water can get in. And even if it's rainy, sunny day, it still leaks. I have no idea. But when we're digging it, there's no water coming out. Who knows? Who knows? So we give up on that one. We give up. We are going to just tile it instead. When they were building that, they actually mix it with Sahara so that it will seal. But it didn't work. So water so calm today. Look at that. Thank you all so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for those people still watching our vlogs even if we're not working a lot yet. But I promise you guys we are going back to working because we also want my parents to live here as soon as possible, but we do what we can do.
Juan, 120 ang
So not too much farther.
200.
200 ah.
Can you walk over there without getting hit by the tractor?
Total sa dynamite.
So asa man ni matunong kana.
Kana
So
muna.
maybe-
Yana siya.
So how far is it from the fence line? So that's,
This is the one. This is the 1 meter.
yeah.
Oh no, now it's raining. Sa tunga lang.
Ha?
Nairo dire madam?
Wa. Wala pa may tao dia. Oh, dia ilahang nairo.
Dire lagi ka.
Oh, ingna sa tong tagiya. Oh my god, now it's raining hard. Oh my god. But still sunny. Doon sa man ulan, init naman eh. Ulan init.
Tayo pero daw sa dito daw.
Dire?
Dito ta.
Basig mo kayog sila madam.
Pothole. So they took all of the concrete in the middle of our lot because it was 2 lots before. We get rid of the middle part. I have a lot of malunggay. I'm gonna get some for dinner later. My malunggay that I brought last time, it's super bad now. I cooked a little bit last night, but it tastes weird. So today I'm gonna get new one. Three of this one is already 10 pesos. So guys, this part, this is our septic tank for this house. And I'm not sure, I think I want to put dirt on top of it so that the grass can continue growing this way. I don't know, tell me guys, what do you think? Then my neighbor said just put like a flower pot over there. But I feel like I want to put dirt so it will cover, the grass will cover it. Because it looks so very tacky right now. Very tacky. Right? Like full green, 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 green. You know what I'm saying? So guys, time to leave. They already done doing their work. And then we are gonna go ahead to town and pay the engineer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.